Morning yogis. Today's class is just a 10-minute whole body wake up. I wanted to see how much we could get to in just that amount of time. So you'll actually start at the middle of your mat, standing. Let's get to it. Let's begin standing, feet hips distance apart. Relax the shoulders down. And tune in to breathing. Inviting it to slow. And as you exhale, draw the belly button backward. Just one more cycle this way together. Inhaling, can you fill to the top? Exhaling all the way out, drawing the abdominal wall in and back. Sweep the arms open wide, reach them up overhead. Take hold of your own elbows. I think of this as a body yawn. So reach up and over to one side, hike the same side hip up. And then up into the other side. Same thing, lift that other hip. And then any natural movements are welcome. Your body knows how to wake up. Let's let it happen. Still so full in the breath. And then reach up through center. Lock the forefingers together. Get super tall, ground to sky. And then reach over to the right side. Keep the chest wide open. So firm in the lower abdomen. On up through center, reaching up and over to the other side. Can you feel stability even at the pelvic floor? Another breath cycle, open the chest. And then on up through center. Let's open the arms really wide, and you'll make your way to the top of the mat now. Feet can stay hips distance apart. Try to give yourself a little back bend as you dive down, maintaining the back bend for as long as you can. And when you feel like you've got to lose it, you could soften the knees, dangle, head goes heavy. Take hold of your elbows and let gravity do the work now. Make this about breathing. Release the hands and walk them over to the right. You can bend the right knee to do that, sending the left hip backward. And to the other side. Left knee bends, right hip shifts back for the stretch of it. Back through center, flatten the back fingertips or hands to the shins. Take your hands to the ground, step the left foot to the back of the mat, and we'll rock. Getting these legs open and warm. Send your left knee down. You can keep the back toes tucked. Sweep your arms up. Take your right hand to your hip, left arm reaching up and over for the side body stretch, still hugging the belly in and even leaning back a little bit. Let's savor the breath. Through center And then hands come and frame this foot. Step to plank position, pausing right here. Hug the belly in, and you'll rock yourself forward and back. You got about 8 more. Super strong. You can always take the knees down if it's too much. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause at the top. Inhale. Exhale. You can lower any way you like. Could be knees and chest. It could be one flat board. Let's come all the way to the ground though. Untuck the toes. Lift for cobra. Lift the hands. As you exhale, reach the arms forward. Lift the legs. Do that again. Feet down. Hands back. Lift the chest. Exhale. Reach forward. Lift the legs. 3 more this way. Last one. This time feet release, press the hands down and lift for a cobra. Shoulders back, heart forward. You can gaze up where the wall meets the ceiling. And then exhale, lower down, roll over knees. We'll find our downward facing dog. Spread the fingers and take some time to move around. Sweep the right leg out high. Good. Press this foot outside the right hand or step it there. Let the heart be light. Legs are super strong. And you'll step left foot outside left hand. Sink into Malasana, your squat. Hips low, heart lifts high. Tune into the center, into breath. Squeeze your feet together as you reach all the way up. Stand tall, like a big body yawn again. And then exhale, return to neutral. Let's make the feet parallel and hips distance apart. Let's establish the center at Tadasana. Getting a sense of being grounded as we move through the day today. Next, inhale, reach your arms wide and overhead. Exhale, keeping the back bend for as long as you can. Folding. At some point you'll lose it, and that's okay. Let yourself be heavy. Take hold of your elbows. Rock the head. Take hands to shins or the floor. Get long through the spine. And exhale, the right leg steps all the way back. Frame the foot. Keep your heart light as you rock forward and back. It's waking up these legs, waking up the hips. Send the back knee down, reach your arms up, keep the back toes tucked, sweeping high. And then take left hand to your waist, reach the right arm up and over to the left. Find that side body opening at the same time. You could even lift the heart up and back. Let's breathe. Return to center, reaching upward. And then exhale, the hands will come down. Step into plank position. Okay. A little bit of strengthening work. So tuck the tail, hug the belly strongly. Now remember, you can always take the knees down. You're going to send the right elbow down, the left elbow down. Right hand plants, left hand plants. Left elbow down, right elbow down. Left hand plants, right hand plants. Take an inhale and exhale. Lower all the way to the ground. Slide the fingers back. Lift for a higher cobra this time. Shoulders still draw back. We'll spend a little time, lengthen and awaken. hands meet at downward facing dog. Once again, pedal around, rock the hips side to side. Make this about your internal needs. You'll sweep the left leg up behind. Place left foot outside your left hand. Pausing there, lift the heart light, strong legs. And step right foot outside right hand. Hips come low, hands to the heart. Can you keep the chest nice and lifted? Let's connect to breathing. This time, you'll sit all the way down. Take the soles of your feet together. Move them out a little bit for diamond shape, Tara Asana. If you're feeling tight in the hips, get onto some elevation like a cushion or blanket. But we'll tip this forward. Just giving the hips and the low back a chance to open. Climb back up for a seat and we'll cross the legs. Feel free to take a Shavasana or to keep your yoga journey going. If you love yoga and you'd like to do a 60-minute class every single week of the year, go find me over at leighabutleryoga.com. That's exactly what we do. Plus you have access to the whole library of classes. Either way, I'll see you soon. Be well.